How to activate RBC Royal Bank debit card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for rbc.com. Now, tap on the sign in option on the top right of your screen and further enter your login credentials, that is, your username and your password, and then tap on the sign in button in order to log yourself in. Just in case if you do not remember your login credentials, then you can also tap on the reset your password option and further recover your login credentials and log in further. Once logged in, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and further tap on the debit cards option. And now scroll down and you will see the option for activate your card. Tap on that and follow the prompts shown on the screen to activate your card and complete your process. So, this is how you can activate RBC Royal Bank debit card. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.